Good morning, guys. Well, the time has come. It's been a long journey. A lot of work has gone into this. Blood, sweat, tears, mainly Lydia's. Whilst I've been swanning to Marbella and living the life of Riley, she has been working her butt off for you guys. And I am delighted to announce that the MHRA have authorised us to import testosterone cypionate. Yes, you heard it here. Testosterone cypionate is coming to the UK. More specifically, it's coming to the Men's Health Clinic. So, if you want gold standard, oh no, we need to rephrase that, don't we? Platinum standard. Okay, no. Let's say the Men's Health Clinic standard, testosterone ester, then you will need to come and see me, Dr. Stevens, at the Men's Health Clinic. Why did we do this? Okay, well obviously, Brexit, my God. Deal, no deal, give me strength. I've completely stayed out of this whole garbage. I've no interest whatsoever. But it obviously raised the question, what's going to happen to our current testosterone supply? So we have formulated, well, we did formulate plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E, to cover all eventualities of a deal, no deal. And it looks like, well, it has come to fruition, that our plan A has come. So all I can say is, Lydia, thank you very much. As always, your hard work is very much appreciated. It's all in the background. I couldn't do this without you, so thank you very much. Testosterone cypionate. So it's the most commonly used ester in America. Testosterone enanthate is practically identical, but it has one less carbon atom. So testosterone cypionate has a very slightly longer half-life, which will make it a little bit more attractive for guys with low sex hormone binding globulin, because obviously that hence causes increased metabolism of the testosterone ester. So if you want to switch from enanthate to cypionate, and there's no actual real reason to, then it's a straight swap. So what other benefits are there from having testosterone cypionate available at the Men's Health Clinic? Well, the carrier oil is cottonseed versus sesame. It's significantly more fluid, so it'll make drawing up and administering testosterone far simpler, which will improve concordance and compliance with treatment. It'll be nice and time saving as well. Also, the benzoyl alcohol content of cypionate is minuscule. In comparison to Testosterone, it's nothing. So from an irritation perspective, testosterone cypionate is very well tolerated. Now, as you may know, we prefer microdosing to establish stable levels, and that obviously normally necessitates more frequent injections. Now, nobody really wants to be pinning themselves constantly. So to choose an ester that has less capacity to irritate obviously makes sense. So it's a very sensible choice. for more frequent injections and also for subcutaneous injections. We have found that occasionally Enanthate has caused localized skin irritation. Not troublesome, but just an element of irritation and lumps. So this is less likely with testosterone cypionate. So it's all about a matter of perspective, isn't it? So the reality is, when you're faced with challenges such as Brexit, what do? Do you perceive it as a threat, or do you perceive it as an opportunity? Now, obviously here at the Men's Health Clinic, we've seen it as an opportunity. An opportunity to improve the service that we offer you guys. We constantly strive to improve the service that we offer you guys. We want the best for you, and we want to be the most cost-effective method possible as well. So with that in mind, the testosterone cypionate is only available from clinic, and that means that you will be supplied with your medications from clinic. There'll be no queuing at a pharmacy. There'll be no waiting for your delivery to arrive every month. You will have your medications given to you at your consultation. Obviously, we will make alternative arrangements for our international patients and the guys that live a long way away. So do not worry if you are from a land far, far away. The Men's Health Clinic has already come up with a strategy to make sure that your medications will be delivered in a seamless and time something fashion. So what can I say? Lydia and I are absolutely delighted to tell you that we've done it. We've got access to testosterone cypionate, and we will be supplying guys with the Men's Health Clinic standard. Listen, honestly, I've got loads more to tell you, but I can't. So, yeah, happy days. I couldn't be more happy. Ta-da.